Hey everybody, I'm M Chen. This is CS50 Web. Here I am on the admin page, and you can see that I have 4 models: auction, user, bid, and comment. Now on to the actual website, which I've named mBay for obvious reasons. As you can see, the active listings page shows the price, the time, the photo, the name, and the description for each active listing. Now, I recently discovered an annoying dog hiding in my sink, so I'm gonna try to sell it. The name would be annoying dog picture. Skip that for now. My description is gonna be annoying dog I found under my sink. It was chewing a bone, even though my house has no bones. Pretty mysterious. Now here's the link. Here's the picture that I took. The dog. The initial price, I think $7.50 seems reasonable. The category will be animal, because this is an animal. Alright, let's submit. It redirects me to the active listings page, and now let's check out my listing. Everything looks good. As you can see, because this is my auction, there's a close auction button here. Let me quickly check out some other listings. Oh, ketchup! I really want Santa's ketchup. I'm gonna make a bid on it. Okay, so the current price is 3. I'm gonna bid 4. Alright. And now I'm gonna make a comment. Please give me the tomato sauce, Sans. Okay. I'm gonna add it to my watch list as well. Now when I check out my watch list, you can see that it is there. Let me take a quick look at the categories too. Okay. So Gaster Blaster is an item, and the ketchup is in food. Very nice. Now I am so desperate to get the ketchup that I'm gonna forcibly give it to myself through the Django admin page. So I'm gonna head to auctions, I'm gonna head to ketchup, and I'm gonna make it inactive. Make the winner me. Alright, now let's go back to my site. You can see that ketchup is listed in my wins. So that was Web 50 Commerce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.